Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Tavre. Welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome in a class series of German language. In last class, we have already learned how we can write and pronounce 0 to 10 numbers in German language. In today's class, we'll learn how we can write and pronounce A to Z alphabets in German language. Okay, so very important point here is in English there are 26 alphabets, but in German we have 4 extra alphabets. So total 30 alphabets. Okay, so let's start. The alphabet. Das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. The alphabets. Die Alphabete. Die Alphabete. Repeat. Das Alphabet. Die Alphabete. Okay. So in English there is only one the, like the sun, the moon, the alphabet, the alphabets. But in German there are 4 types of the. That's why das and the, there are 2 different words for the here. We will learn about this in next classes. So don't worry about this. We will only concentrate on A to Z alphabets in current class. Okay. So you can see A to Z alphabets are same like in English. We write A to Z like we write in the English. There is no change. But the pronunciation is different. Also, there are 4 extra alphabets in German. We'll see how to pronounce them. Starting with A. So, A in English, we call AH, A in German. Okay, the pronunciation is written next to the letter. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, V, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. And the 4 extra characters are, the one which looks like beta is etc. Etc. Then A umlaut, A. A. O umlaut, O. O. U umlaut, U. U. Okay. So there is a little difference in A, O and U, their umlaut pronunciation. So listen them in series and then you will get a difference. A, O, U. A, O, U. Okay. So the 2 dots on them called umlaut. And this is how we can write 4 extra characters in German. Okay. So first we'll revise. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, X, Y, Z. Etc. A, O, U. Then, so if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Also let me in the comment section how this video is helping you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye for now. Have a great time.